8 easy solutions to fix HP printer in error state. 8 quick solutions. Method 1. Check the connection of the printer. Step 1. Make sure that there is a secure connection between the printer and computer and the device is powered up. Step 2. Examine the printer cable and look for signs of physical damage. Step 3. Sometimes, the printer in error status issue can be fixed just by restarting both devices. Step 4. To restart, turn off both the printer and computer. Step 5. Leave them completely off for a few minutes. Step 6. Then turn them back on to see if the problem is resolved. Method 2. Confirm that the printer is online. Step 1. First, right-click the Start button and select the control panel. Step 2. Then, you have to select the Devices and Printers option. Step 3. Now, check the status of your printer and see if it is displayed. Step 4. If you have connected the device to the wireless network, it will display ready. Step 5. If it is not connected, right-click on the icon and set as default printer. Step 6. After that, choose the Use Printer Online option. Method 3. Set printer as default. Step 1. First, tap the Start button on your Windows PC. Step 2. After that, type Run and open the dialog box. Step 3. In the next step, enter Control Panel. Step 4. Now, you have to press the OK button. Step 5. Go to the Control Panel and navigate to Devices and Printers. Step 6. After that, right-click on the model you are using. Step 7. Thereafter, select Set as Default Printer from the list. Method 4. Check the Print Spooler service. Step 1. First, go to the Search tab and open the Run dialog box. Step 2. Then, enter services.msc into the command box. Step 3. Now, locate the Spooler section in Windows. Step 4. In the section, make sure it is shown as running. Step 5. Double-click the printer spooler service to confirm the automatic mode. Step 6. If you see settings on manual mode, choose the automatic option. Step 7. Now, tap the Apply button to save the modification. Step 8. Thereafter, go to the Recovery tab and navigate to the first failure menu. Step 9. Select Restart the service and click the Apply button. Step 10. Lastly, see if you are able to print the documents. Method 5. Run HP Print and Scan Doctor. Step 1. Download the HP Print and Scan Doctor from the official website. Step 2. Then navigate to the download location on your PC. Step 3. Next, run the hppsdr.exe file to install it. Step 4. Once the program is open, tap on Start. Step 5. In the next step, choose the model you are using. Step 6. According to the problem, press Fix Printing or Fix Scanning. Step 7. The test results will be displayed with the icons. Step 8. Perform the instructions given on your screen. Step 9. Finally, your HP Print and Scan Doctor is installed on the desktop. Method 6. Clean print Spooler files. Step 1. First, go to the local disk, C. Step 2. Then, go to Windows, and open the System32 folder. Step 3. Now, you have to click the spool menu. Step 4. In the printer folder, you will find a number of files. Step 5. Thereafter, clear all the files visible in the folder. Step 6. Go to local disk, C, and open Windows. Step 7. In the Windows section, click System32, then go to Spool. Step 8. After that, click on Drivers and open W32x86. Step 9. Remove all files in the W32x86 folder. Step 10. Return to the Spooler service program. Step 11. In the end, select the Restart button. Method 7. Reinstall the printer driver. Step 1. First, press the Windows plus or key to open the Run dialog box. Step 2. Now type divmgmp.msc in the Open dialog box. Step 3. Click on the OK option to open the device manager. Step 4. Next, click on the Print Queues section. Step 5. Then, right-click on your printer model and select the Uninstall Device option. Step 6. Visit HP's official website and go to Softwares and Drivers page. Step 7. Choose Printer from the options and type in your product in the Enter Your Product Name box. Step 8. And download the latest correct drive installer from the Basic Drivers section. Step 9. Click to download the link. Step 10. Now, double-click the downloaded file to extract the driver. Step 11. After that, go to the download location and double-click the C file. Step 12. Next, launch the driver package installer. Step 13. Now, an installer program will open. Step 14. Thereafter, update the drivers for your print system. Method 8. Change the port settings. Step 1. To open Device Manager, click Windows plus R keys and enter devmgm.msc. Step 2. In the next step, press OK or Enter. Step 3. Go to the View section at the top of the screen. Step 4. Now, click Show Hidden Devices. Step 5. You can open the devices under Ports, COM and LPT. Step 6. Double-click on the Ports option. Step 7. Right-click on the printer port. Step 8. Next, click on Properties from the context menu. Step 9. Go to the Port Settings tab after that. Step 10. Verify the use any interrupt assigned to the port checkbox. Step 11. Now, disable the Enable Legacy Plug and Play Detection setting. Step 12. Finally, you have to click the OK button. For more such help and information, visit us at www.printertales.com or call us at 1-877-469-0297.